Greetings, fitness fanatics. It's time to tackle day 9 of our 90-day home workout series. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Today, we're focusing on our upper body. Get ready to fire up those muscles. Here are 2 ways to explain how to sit up from lying down. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your core muscles by gently pulling your belly button towards your spine. Use your arms for support. Bend your elbows and place your hands behind your head, fingers interlaced. Lift your upper body off the ground using your core muscles to initiate the movement. Aim to bring your torso to a sitting position. Lower yourself back down to the starting position in a controlled manner. Repeat for desired repetitions. Running is a fantastic way to improve cardiovascular health, burn calories, and build endurance. Here's how to get started with running cardio. Focus on a steady rhythm that matches your pace. Types of running workouts. Easy run. This is a comfortable pace where you can hold a conversation. Excellent for beginners or recovery days.